From a professional trader to a DIY enthusiast, everyone wants some cutting-edge tools to let them tackle any project quickly, accurately, and easily. So in today's video, we'll show you the 15 amazing next-level tools you must have.
Looking for an animation studio that can turn your story or idea into animated visuals? Look no further than 10 Studio. Our team of experts creates animated explainer videos that simplify complex ideas and bring your message to life. Our experience can help you tell your story in a way that engages your target audience and makes them remember it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out from your competition. Visit our website to know more at www.10.studio.
This big thing over here is made for all professional railway maintenance personnel. The Geismar Barracuda Rail Profile Grinder is a battery-powered tool designed to add easement to regular railway maintenance. The grinder is powered by a powerful Activian electric motor, which helps to optimize work cycles. Plus, it features the unique activation technology that helps users to work without any emissions, eliminating polluting gases and simplifying maintenance. Additionally, the Geismar Barracuda has an ergonomic turning system that lets you operate this big tool on your own without any hassleful lifting. Okay, you've probably never used a scraper like this before. This is an absolutely versatile scraping tool that doubles as a knife for specific jobs. It is great for a wide variety of material removing tasks. When it comes to cutting, you'll get an angle adjustment range between 22.5 and 90 degrees. It's also perfect for leather skinning tasks. Cool, isn't it? But hold on, there's more. You can adjust this scraper's head at up to 11 different positions, meaning each task will get its needed precision. To prevent accidental issues, the OLFA BTC-1DX comes with a safety lanyard hole that allows easy carrying and safe storage. Though it looks similar to a riveter, but the Campson KSC-7C is a hog ring gun for professional and industrial applications. With a 4.8mm closure diameter and CE certification, this C-ring staple gun packs a punch with its industrial-grade 15-gauge 3/4-inch crown. This hog ring gun comes with an auto-feed system which smoothly pushes the staples forward for seamless operation. The best part of this tool is its ergonomic and symmetrical design that effectively reduces hand fatigue during extended use. And this KSC-7C is ideal for working on wire cages, a cozy sofa, a car seat, a comfortable mattress, crab traps, a sturdy fence, and more. You may be confused by its look, but this Ritmo Kila 1663 is a universal aligner designed for plastic pipes, fittings, and electrofusion saddles. It features a unique clamp design that allows for pipes and fittings to be aligned in straight or angled positions between 45 and 90 degrees. This aligner is equipped with two plates, a wide and a narrow one, so you can easily interchange them to accommodate different applications and adjust the working range effortlessly. The Kila 1663 comes with a transport bag and is available in a metric version with a working range of 16 to 63 millimeters. This is a highly useful tool for all the plumbers and pipe fitters out there. Now, here's something cool. The Miller Hard Hat with T94 IHR helmet is built for pro welders who often encounter large welding projects. It simply provides them ultimate protection and exceptional visibility around there. This hat comes with a backpack-style shoulder strap that evenly distributes system weight to provide all-day comfort. Plus, the hard hat complies with all the needed safety standards, so users will get huge confidence in the demanding jobs. On top of that, the integrated HDV technology provides a sharp, detailed view at any angle with minimal distortion and increases visibility. You need an effective tool when cutting and chamfering pipes with relatively large diameters. This is why the Ibenstock ERC 350 comes in handy. This handy tool is like a trusty steed, ready to tackle pipes up to 350 millimeters in diameter. And with the extendable roller carriage and support bracket, it holds the pipes firmly in place for the most accurate cuts. But wait, there's more. This saw also features a dust extraction system that will keep your workspace as clean as a whistle. So whether you're working indoors or outdoors, the Ibenstock ERC 350 is the perfect companion for your next pipe cutting and chamfering adventure. Next on the list is the WEICON Tools S428. It's a compact hero in the field of wire stripping. This tool is all-time ready to strip wires for all common round cables between 4 and 28 millimeters. Thanks to the simple cable stripping mechanism, you can complete every job with ease, whether you're a beginner or a pro. With the adjustable cutting depth, you can prevent all the damaging issues of interconductors. But that's not all. This tool also has a secret weapon in its inner swivel blade, allowing you to make round and length cuts in one smooth motion. Water transferring from the bathtub or mini fish ponds becomes a great hassle when you choose the conventional way. But this Ryobi water transfer pump is a game changer for moving water. It's equipped with a powerful brushless motor and HP technology that makes it capable of pumping up to 10 gallons per minute, making it ideal for a variety of applications. Its 3 variable speed modes allow you to customize the pump for your specific needs, while its metal housing and mountable base plate ensure durability and stability. No more lugging heavy water buckets, because the Ryobi water transfer pump will make every task a breeze. This is the From P331 plastic strapping tool, which is a top-notch solution for securing packages. This high-tension tool is capable of handling 19, 25, and even 32 millimeter pet straps, thanks to the effective brushless motor that reduces the pain of maintenance and delivers a tension force of up to 7,000 newtons. And it comes with both manual and semi-automatic modes for ease of use. The P331 is perfect for end-of-line transport packaging, eliminating the need for heavy-duty tools. So, upgrade your packaging game and stay productive. It's time to get rid of all the gluing frustrations that messed up your favorite crafting projects. The Dremel Glue Pen is a little guy that heats up faster than a hot tamale and is ready to rock and roll in just 15 seconds. This pen-shaped tool works like a magical wand and fits comfortably in your hand. It comes with an onboard LED battery indicator that keeps you notified about live battery health, thanks to the reduced drip nozzle that stands like a superhero shield for your projects. Whether you're fixing a costume, decorating a frame, or just getting artsy with glue pen art, the Dremel Glue Pen is here to help you do more and have fun doing it. Cutting like a pro. is a common dream for every construction worker, but they often get annoyed by uneven cuts and struggle with stability while on the job. That's where the BIHUI manual and electric cutting system comes into play and saves the day. This cutting system offers added stability for a precise and smooth cutting experience thanks to the built-in sliding bearings. Plus, it comes with an upgraded braking clamp that provides efficient outcomes. On top of that, the reinforced bottom plate ensures accurate cuts every time, while the added edge cutting blade delivers perfect miter cutting performance. There's more. You'll also get a sturdy rail system that has 4 suction cups and 2 F-clamps, providing additional support for tough situations. Whether you're seeking a portable yet powerful lighting solution for critical maintenance jobs, you better go with this Yato Workshop LED lamp. It's a rechargeable lighting solution designed for use in workshops, garages, and homes. It features a magnetic unit at the bottom and a flexible direction adjustment function, making it perfect for regular tasks. Plus, this lamp can provide from 50 to 500 lumens of bright light, depending on the working environment. Aside from that, it has double-sided lighting modes that provide versatility and flexibility. Additionally, the lamp is waterproof and impact-resistant, making it durable and reliable for use in tough environments. It's obvious you need a powerful tool to deal with tough demolition jobs. This Tolson demolition hammer is such a steady solution that allows you to make concrete breaking tasks easier. First, it comes with a robust case for safe transportation and features a large point chisel for big jobs. With the comfortable handle, lock-on, off switch, and variable speed trigger, you'll get the needed flexibility and comfort while on the job. Plus, the hammer provides up to 1,500 watts of power, so you can handle even the toughest demolition tasks. Cherry on top, it has an anti-vibration technology, quick reverse mechanism, and ergonomic shape that ensure the topmost outcome with less job time. If you need to fix a flat tire on the go or need to do some routine maintenance, these tire levers 1657 will work like a blessing for you. These tools are designed to make tire removal easy and efficient without causing damage to the rim. Plus, they're constructed of firm plastic and are durable and reliable enough for both professional mechanics and home users. And the best part? These tire levers are adapted to work on the latest bicycle models, making them a versatile tool for any cyclist. Let's wrap up today's list with the Park Tool CRP2. It's an effective tool that quickly and easily removes the headset crown race from the crown race seat of the fork. This precision tool features fully adjustable blades, allowing you to position them with precision around the crown race for a custom fit. Whether you're working with a steering column that ranges between 14 and 43 centimeters in length, this all-steel tool will get the job done with ease. Say goodbye to frustrating and time-consuming headset maintenance and hello to the CRP2 Crown Race Puller. Okay, that was the list of the 15 amazing next-level tools you must have. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.